So let's get started with the first domain, which is oral comprehension, or what is called listening comprehension, where all the learners will be able to comprehend oral messages and identify the meaning of words, expressions, and sentences in a familiar context using paralinguistic features. And this is the target competence of the oral comprehension. And of course, this domain has subsidiary competencies listed as follows. Number one, the learner will be able to recognize the meaning of words, expressions, and sentences using the context and paralinguistic features. Number two, the learner will be able to use the context and paralinguistic features to infer meaning of words, expressions, and sentences. And the competence number three is to be an attentive and active listener. Oral comprehension domain deals with the installing of lexis and key vocabulary related to a specific sequence, where the teacher installs words according to his or her learner's levels, interests, and needs. Remember, in this domain there is no writing at all, unless the learner wants to jot down lexis on his or her notebook. This domain is dedicated and devoted only to listening to the installment of the teacher's speaking voice or an authentic messages, and then the learners will repeat those words and lexis. The lexis related for each sequence are: number one, numbers, extended family, friends and equals, languages and nationalities for the sequence 1, then school mapping and facilities for sequence 2, then fun time and games sequence 3, body, health and food for sequence 4, and lastly animals for the sequence 5.